Rachel Ruto.
The government and also that these two countries doesn't have any baggage. Also to go forward in multi-relationship on elevating the life. I am very.
I have discussed extensively with my brother Prime Minister Abiy, and we are in sync on what we see as possibilities of the present and the immense opportunities for the future. Let me take this opportunity now to invite all of you to rise and drink a toast to the long life and health of my brother Prime Minister Abiy, to the wealth and prosperity of the people of Ethiopia, and to the promise of our brotherly relations.
I am very happy to be here, and the toast is already done. Long live the people of Kenya, long live the people of Ethiopia, long live our dear brother, President William Ruto. Enjoy the meal. When you share bread, don't forget, when you come to Ethiopia, you will share injera, not bread. Thank you very much.
Let us all rise for the national anthem.